You're grounded.
Fine.
Day 1.
Okay class, we're going to do math test. No cheating, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
When tests start now.
Who looked around my paper? You look at my paper. No, I don't. Good.
Two days.
Okay class, it's time to do some geography. No cheating, okay?
Okay. Ugh. What should I do for some geography? I should cheat one more time. Ha 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 ha.
Who looked my test? Classic Rcoad 2, did you look at my test?
I said no delay. I did not look at your test.
Good.
Day 3.
Okay class, today we're gonna do some science.
Mrs. Green, I won't skip school again. May I go to the restroom?
Good, go quick.
Okay, now I'm gonna put the fire alarm, now. Ha 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 ha.
Oh no. There is a fire alarm. Let's go outside, kids.
Dang, what happened in school?
Let's make sure we will stay outside before going back to class.
7 minutes later.
Attention everyone, I think the fire alarm is over. Now it's time to get back to class.
Okay guys, it's time to.
Attention everyone, someone put the fire alarm. I will send someone to my principal's office immediately. Good luck.
3 minutes later.
It was Classic Rcoad 2. Who put the fire alarm? Go to my principal's office immediately.
I'm dead meat.
Classic Rcoad 2. What the heck is wrong with you? How dare you cheat the test? You're lucky we didn't see because of you. And you put the fire alarm for everyone. This is bad for you, kid. First thing first, you cheating someone's test and no one was looking at you. Second thing second, you're pretending you want to go to the restroom, and you want to pull a fire alarm. You will go to detention for 3 hours.
3 hours?
3 hours later of detention.
Now, you're suspended for 10 weeks. I'm gonna call your dad about this.
I'm cooked.
Classic Rcoad 2. How dare you cheat on your test? You're lucky they didn't see because of you. And how dare you pull the fire alarm? Day 1 and Day 2, you cheat someone's test and you say no to the student? That's a lie. 3 day, you're pretending you want to go to the restroom and you pull the fire alarm? That's not okay, kid. This is really bad for you. How could you do this? How could you? You know what? That's it. You're grounded for 17799988252552526328151927363737638826262 hours. Go to your room right now.
Wow.